know it's a bit extreme, but hey, I'm a YouTuber, so I'll do this for the video. I'm going to cut the panel back so we can have a good old look. It'll obviously give us access to the spanner. It won't help us on how to put the new bolt in when we're putting the new guard in, but it'll give us a look at what's going on down here. So there's the bolt. We can get at it nice and easy now, but as you can see, it's directly in line here with the bottle. That's a little 10mm ratchet. Yeah, it works for getting it out. And we got ourselves a loose guard. So I'll just make sure this is all disconnected here, and then we'll see if we can't lift him off. So up here on this bracket, there is a Torx up this end, and then there's the bolt. And then further up, as you can see right there, there's underneath on that front edge. Gives you much more room to get in and get to that back Torx. We're going to have to do this in and out, so we might as well make it easy. So the window frame does have to come off in order to get this guard off. Window frame off, there's your last 10mm bolt, and then we're ready to get him off. Pre-ease LCI, you've got a repeater in your guard. From the inside, you just give it a squeeze. You see that metal clip? Give it a squeeze, and that'll then release. And then we undo this plug. You can see the little clip on the top there. Just press that clip at the top in, that'll release, and that plug will come off. Okay, there you go. The guard is there. Everything here. Have a look at the size of that washer bottle. Mind you, I've driven in Germany on snowy roads. You really do need a lot of stuff if you're going to be doing a long trip. But that is all your washer bottle there. You can see the little filler coming around to here where we fill it up. So the guard is off, and now it's just a matter of reversing all of the procedures and bolting it back on again. There's your bumper. The headlight did not have to come out, the headlight assembly and so forth. You can see you've got your bolts here for the guard at the front. There's not a lot of solidity. We've got some big bars down the front there and one lower down. But this here is all very much built for lightness, not for strength. All right, guard's off, congratulations. Have a coffee, have a rest, and then turn around and start to put your new guard back on.